Before we start to enable notifications and actions from your Windows settings, go to Settings, then System, then Notifications and Actions. Make sure to enable Windows notification, and that Chrome browser has the right to use the notifications. Click on Add to Chrome button. Then click on Add Extension button to confirm installing. After installing, pin it to your browser for easy access. Click on the puzzle icon in the upper right corner of your browser. Find the extension Remind Me in the drop-down list and click the pin icon next to it. This will add the extension to your toolbar for quick access. Click on the extension icon in the toolbar. The pop-up will appear with the Set a Reminder form. Enter the title of your reminder in the title field. Add a description in the description field. Choose the date for the reminder in the date field. Set the time in the time field, and add a URL if needed. After filling in the details, click the Set Reminder button to save it. To customize your experience, click the gear icon in the extension pop-up. This opens the settings page where you can view and edit your reminders in the Reminders tab. From Settings tab, you can toggle the context menu on or off, enable or disable the alarm sound, upload a new alarm sound, listen to the current alarm sound. Click the Get Free Alarms link to download free alarm sounds. You can test a notification by clicking Test Notification button. When the alarm occurs, a notification will pop up with two buttons. Close button to close the alarm and delete it, or Snooze button to snooze the alarm for 5 minutes. If you like Remind Me extension, then share it with your friends.